Hi everyone, I am Charan, a ServiceNow Developer specialized in platform analytics. If you are tired of static reports and want to start predicting trends, you are in the right place. I'll show you how platform analytics helps with that. Platform analytics is the modern unified framework that combines all your reportings, historical trackings, and predictive insights. It's how we move from asking what happened to asking what will happen next. Now let's look into our learning path. We'll start with the administrative core, the data source. This defines exactly where we pull our information. Indicators. These are our key metrics like average time to resolve. Then the data collection jobs. This is the engine that collects these scores over time. We make that data meaningful with breakdowns, slicing the scores by dimensions like priority. And we'll use bucket groups to neatly categorize continuous feeds. We move to the user experience. We'll master dashboards and data visualization to create actionable scorecards. We'll explore the analytics center, your personalized KPI home. We'll also dive into user experience analytics to track platform adoption and performance. Finally, we'll always incorporate best practices to maximize performance, ensuring data trust and design fast action oriented dashboards. This wraps up our roadmap. We have a complete cohesive learning path ahead. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video